If you are wondering how long does the battery last on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, then of course if we consider a typical day-to-day usage, an average time, then we should be able to get approximately 21 hours and 40 minutes out of the battery. Now of course, like I'm saying, this is just the estimate and average, and I'm saying this because every person uses a smartphone in a slightly different way. I mean, some people use the smartphone more often, some people use it less throughout the day, which of course has the impact on the battery. It also depends on what features you have enabled on the smartphone, what is enabled or disabled in the settings, and how often you, for example, play games and whatnot. So of course these things have an impact on the battery, and in some cases for some users you might be able to get even more than 21 hours out of the whole battery, and in some cases it might be not enough, and in some cases it might last less time. But considering the average, if we just make calls on this phone, then the battery should be able to last even 36 hours and 45 minutes. If we just want to browse the internet, then we should be able to get approximately 21 hours and 45 minutes out of the battery. If you want to watch videos on this phone, and only videos, from 100% to 0%, then the battery can last approximately 28 hours and 20 minutes. And if you want to play games on this phone, then the battery should last approximately 12 hours and 15 minutes. But like I said, for every person this time can be slightly different, so you need to keep that in mind. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.